really all I want to do in this process is just to get some ideas in my head as to what I like. I've got my basic pose laid out. From there, which direction is she looking? Just keep going. I don't want to keep rubbing out. Don't even have an eraser near me. This is just about seeing where the pencil leads me and getting some ideas in place. What you need to do here is take the key areas from all your sketches and put them together once you start your final draft. And that's what we're going to get to next. So I'll keep sketching, and once I'm happy with my sketches and I have a clear direction of where I'm going to go, we'll move on. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So what I'm going to do is keep sketching, and once I'm happy with all of those, I'm going to put them together, get those in front of me, and then we're ready for our final draft. And remember, all it needs to be is a draft. We'll see you soon.